Flip your world upside down and say goodbye to hiccups. It sounds bizarre, but drinking water while bent over is a quirky trick backed by science. When you drink upside down, the unusual posture prompts your diaphragm to reset, soothing the spasms that cause those annoying hiccups. This technique forces you to focus on coordination and breathing, distracting your brain and breaking the hiccup cycle. Your body gets a surprise jolt, and the change in pressure helps realign your diaphragm's rhythm. It's a quick fix that feels like a magic trick, turning a mundane sip of water into a hiccup vanisher. Next time you're stuck in a hiccup loop, grab a glass, bend forward, and let gravity do its thing. No more frantic holding of breath or spoonfuls of sugar.